Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, and if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. So today we're heading to Airassisted. We're doing something on the MDX, and let's get to it. Hey guys, we're already here at Airassisted, and my car is already at the back. We're going to install. Sorry guys. So we're going to install. Well, I'm not installing it. Kevin and Peter will be installing a Tow Hitch on my MDX. Let's see how they do it. Good morning, Kevin. Hi, Peter. Hi. So guys, the hitch is already on, and now Peter is gonna be working on the wiring. Look at the mess, so dirty. Haven't cleaned this truck since I got it. So this is super cool. So we got a pretty much plug and play harness that's ready to go in here, and that's pretty much it. We're almost ready to tow.
Gonna do
Look,
it.
they're watching me.
I didn't do it.
Guys, thank you again for installing my hitch on my MDX. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.